Hello students, wishing you all a very happy new year and welcome back to Fun with Maths with another session of lines and angles. In the previous session, we did the basics of lines and angles. Today we will do various types of angles formed by using these lines. Among these, the first one comes adjacent angles. For getting adjacent angles, three conditions should be fulfilled. First thing, common vertex. Second thing, an arm in common. Third thing, uncommon arms should be on the either side of common arm. So, if these three conditions are fulfilled, then we get only adjacent angles. So, here I am drawing an example. Say this is vertex O, a ray goes to this side, another this side, and the third one this side. You can name them as A, B, C. Children, you see all these three conditions are fulfilled. Common vertex, a common arm, and uncommon arms are on either side of a common arm. So, three things are required for adjacent angles. In adjacent angles, it's not only ki they have to be only acute, the two angles to be acute or obtuse, nothing like that. We can have a straight line where we obtain a linear pair. I'll show you. In adjacent angle only we get a linear pair. See, here is a vertex O, an arm goes in this direction A. This common arm is perpendicular to this, and another uncommon arm goes in opposite direction. So you see the sum of two angles formed is how much? 180 degree. The linear pair is also an example of adjacent angles. Next coming up is vertically opposite angles. Next is vertically opposite angles which are formed by when two lines intersect each other. Children, when we say the term, we use the term intersect, it means the two lines will meet only at one and only one point. Say we have two lines, a line AB and another line CD. They are intersecting at point O. So you can see the way they are intersecting and the angles which are there back to back. You can see them back to back. They are vertically opposite. Let's name this pair as 1 and 2. And they are equal as well. Vertically opposite angles are equal as well. Another pair, this is 3. Here it is 4. So, we can write if A and B are two intersecting lines, intersecting at point O, then angle 1 is equals to 2. Why? The reason is they are vertically opposite angles, and means their vertices should be in opposite direction. It is in over here, this side it is facing this side, and angle 3 is equals to angle 4 with the same reason, vertically opposite angles. Here is the another concept. One, you have done adjacent angles, then you did linear pair, and then we have vertically opposite angles, where we can see that the two vertically opposite angles are equal. Children, I could have taught you through animation and all, but earlier, as I said, I feel that there is a loss of connectivity, that I cannot connect with you. I want to connect with you all. So I prefer teaching on the board, so that you may have feeling that yes, a classroom session type thing is going on, and you can at the very same time write down your query and post question. And it is my request that watch the full video to get your concepts clear. Please do watch the full video. Now we have various questions based on these. In linear pair, we get AOB is a straight line. Fine, like this. AOB is a straight line. This is the another one, common arm. If one angle measures 60 degree, find the measure of another angle. Simple. You will write as AOB is a straight line, therefore x plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree, but definitely write the reason, because they form linear pair. And so x is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. You may get different type of questions. Another question you may get in terms of x. Here is A, here is O, here it is B, this is C. 2x plus 20 degree, 3x minus, say 3x plus 5 you take and find the value of x. You will write their sum as 180 degree, and you can solve for both. The first you will solve for x by forming a linear equation, and then you can solve put the values of x in for both the angles, and you will get both the angles. Children, you need to understand that you have to sit with the mindset that yes, I have to learn something from this. Without this mindset, no teacher, no mentor can guide you. So inculcate your interest and do the work with full enthusiasm and with full interest. The last concept for you all, angles around a point. See, two things are there. Before angles around a point, if we have straight line, take a point on that O. I have taken AB over here. You draw as many as. Now I am not talking about adjacent angles. This is C, this is D, this is E, and you get angle 1, 2, 3, 4. All these angles are on the same side of a straight line. So we have concluded that sum of all the angles on the same side of a straight line, whether it is vertically upside or downside. आप हमने ऊपर ड्रॉ किया है, आप नीचे भी ड्रॉ करके देख लीजिए. Sum of angles will be not all together. Take only of one side. So we can write, if AOB is a straight line, then angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 180 degree. Reason you have to specify angles on the same side of a straight line. So I hope I am clear with this concept. You will take the another one is like this, vertically down. This is point O, this is A, this is B. You make as many as angle you want. Make any number of angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sum of all these 5 angles will be 180 degree, as the sum of angles on the same side of a straight line is 180 degree. Coming to the last concept, angles around a point. What is the sum of angles around a point? See children, here it is a point. Point O. You draw rays in different directions to get angles. As many as you can, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have obtained 7 angles in this case. As all these angles are around a point, so angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equals to 360 degree. The reason is sum of angles around a point is 360 degree. If anyone is missing or anyone is marked like this, say this is a ray, this is another ray from that point and marked like this, remember this is the symbol of 90 degree. So sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. I hope I have taught all types of angles related to this topic. Parallel lines I will take up later on, but it's my request, please do watch full video and definitely attempt questions. Children, you people are taking advantage of this lockdown, your studies, the time that you were spending on your academics is going low day by day. Don't do that. Don't harm yourself and be focused. Watch the video. If you find any difficulty, write in comment box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe as much as possible. And you can also follow my Instagram page Fun with Maths. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.